Top 5 morning fruits doctors recommend for kidney repair and lower creatinine. Have you ever wondered why, despite eating healthy, your kidneys still feel stressed and your creatinine levels won't budge? What if I told you that a few simple fruits, eaten at the right time, could actually help repair your kidneys and naturally lower creatinine? And that this isn't just a claim, but fact-checked by health researchers. In today's video, I'm going to reveal the top 5 morning fruits that doctors and researchers are increasingly recommending for kidney health. These aren't random suggestions. Each fruit has been studied for its ability to reduce inflammation, support filtration, and protect your kidneys from daily stress. Imagine starting your day with a simple fruit that actually helps your kidneys cleanse themselves while boosting your energy and overall health. And here's the thing. Most people are missing one crucial fruit in their morning routine, a fruit that could quietly supercharge your kidney function without you even realizing it. By the end of this video, I'll reveal that powerful tip, and trust me, it's going to completely change the way you think about your breakfast. So stick around, because the fruit I'm about to reveal could be the easiest, most natural way to support your kidneys and protect your health. And it only takes a few seconds to add to your morning. Number 1. Papaya. Let's talk about papaya, because if there's one fruit that quietly works like a natural kidney repair booster first thing in the morning, it's this one. And honestly, most people overlook it simply because they don't know what it actually does inside the body. So imagine this. You wake up, your kidneys have been working all night filtering toxins, balancing fluids, and keeping your blood clean. Starting your day with papaya gives them the gentle support they need to keep doing that job without stress. Now here's the thing. Papaya isn't just sweet and soft. It's packed with digestive enzymes like papain that help break down food, reduce inflammation, and take some pressure off your kidneys. When your digestion is smooth and your gut is calm, your kidneys don't have to work overtime to handle waste, and that alone can help lower creatinine levels over time. Another benefit people rarely talk about is hydration. Papaya is made mostly of water, but it also contains natural electrolytes that help your kidneys maintain balance. So if you eat papaya in the morning, especially before heavier meals, you're giving your body a hydrating, cleansing boost that helps flush out waste without straining the kidneys. What I love about papaya is how gentle it is. Many fruits are nutritious, but not all are kidney-friendly. Papaya is low in potassium compared to bananas, oranges, and dates, which is a big advantage if your creatinine is borderline high or if your doctor has warned you about potassium levels. You get the vitamins, you get the fiber, and you get the antioxidants without overwhelming your kidneys. And speaking of antioxidants, the carotenoids in papaya, especially beta-carotene and lycopene, act like natural defenders for your kidneys. They help calm inflammation, protect kidney cells, and support better filtration. If your kidneys are struggling due to mild damage, early-stage CKD, diabetes, or high blood pressure, this kind of gentle daily nourishment can make a noticeable difference. Another thing you'll love, papaya helps reduce digestive bloating, which many kidney patients struggle with. That light, comfortable feeling after eating papaya in the morning isn't just nice. It's a sign that your body is processing nutrients efficiently and reducing metabolic waste. So yes, starting your day with papaya is more than a healthy habit. It's a small morning ritual that supports your kidneys, protects your health, and helps your creatinine gradually trend in the right direction. It's simple, natural, and incredibly effective. Number 2. Watermelon. Let's dive into watermelon. And trust me, this isn't just about a juicy, sweet fruit that tastes amazing on a hot day. Watermelon is actually a hidden gem when it comes to supporting kidney health and lowering creatinine levels, especially when you enjoy it in the morning. Think about it. After a long night, your body is ready to hydrate, cleanse, and reset, and watermelon does all of that in one simple, delicious package. First off, watermelon is over 90% water, which makes it an incredible natural hydrator. Hydration is key for kidneys because they need water to flush out toxins, remove excess creatinine, and maintain proper balance in your body. When you eat watermelon first thing in the morning, you're giving your kidneys an easy, gentle way to start the day without overworking them. It's like sending them a little thank you for all the work they do while you sleep. But it's not just about hydration. Watermelon contains natural compounds called citrulline and lycopene that have real benefits for your kidneys. Citrulline helps improve blood flow and can reduce strain on the kidneys, while lycopene acts as a powerful antioxidant, fighting inflammation and protecting your kidney cells from damage. So while you enjoy that refreshing sweetness, your kidneys are quietly getting protection and support at the same time. One thing that makes watermelon especially great for mornings is how easy it is on digestion. Many kidney-friendly fruits are high in fiber, which is good, but they can feel heavy first thing in the day. Watermelon is light, easy to chew, and absorbs quickly, giving you that hydration boost without any bloating or discomfort. Your body gets the nutrients it needs, your kidneys get the relief they deserve, and you start your day feeling refreshed. Another benefit that people often miss is watermelon's effect on blood pressure. High blood pressure is one of the main factors that can stress your kidneys and raise creatinine levels. Watermelon contains potassium and magnesium, which help maintain healthy blood pressure and take extra pressure off your kidneys. So it's not just about hydration, it's about protecting your kidneys on multiple levels every single morning. And here's no recipes or special preparation. Eating just a cup or two in the morning can make a noticeable difference over time. It's simple, delicious, and incredibly kind to your kidneys. So when you're thinking about a fruit that can support kidney repair, lower creatinine, and start your day with hydration and antioxidants, watermelon really deserves the spotlight. It's more than just a fruit. It's a morning ritual for healthier kidneys. Number 3. Pears. Let's talk about pears, a fruit that's often overlooked, but honestly, it deserves a special place in your morning routine, especially if you're focusing on kidney health and lowering creatinine. Pears are gentle, naturally sweet, and incredibly nourishing, making them perfect for starting your day without putting extra stress on your kidneys. One of the first things to love about pears is their high water content. Hydration is key for kidney function because your kidneys need water to flush out toxins and manage creatinine levels effectively. Eating a pear in the morning is like giving your kidneys a head start, helping them work efficiently right from the moment you wake up. Unlike some fruits that are heavy or acidic, pears are mild, easy to digest, and won't overwhelm your system. Another amazing benefit of pears is their fiber content. This isn't just any fiber. Pears are packed with soluble fiber, which helps regulate digestion and maintain a healthy gut. When your digestion is smooth, your body doesn't produce unnecessary metabolic waste that your kidneys would have to handle. In a way, eating pears helps lighten the workload for your kidneys, allowing them to focus on filtering toxins and keeping your creatinine levels in check. Pears also contain antioxidants like vitamin C and flavonoids, which play a big role in reducing inflammation. Inflammation is a silent stressor on the kidneys, and over time, it can contribute to higher creatinine levels or even mild kidney damage. By including pears in your morning routine, you're giving your kidneys a gentle, protective boost. These antioxidants help protect kidney cells, support better filtration, and promote overall kidney health. One of my favorite things about pears is how versatile and easy they are. You can eat them as they are, slice them over oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, or even pair them with a little yogurt. The key is consistency. Making pears part of your morning ritual can help gradually improve kidney function over time. And here's something many people don't realize. Pears are low in potassium compared to some other fruits, which makes them a smart choice for those who need to monitor their potassium intake due to kidney concerns. You get all the hydration, fiber, and antioxidants without putting extra strain on your kidneys. So when you're looking for a morning fruit that's gentle, nourishing, and supportive for kidney repair, pears really stand out. They're simple, natural, and effective. A small daily habit that can have a big impact on your kidney health and creatinine levels. Number 4. Kiwi. Now let's talk about kiwi, a small fruit that's bursting with flavor, nutrients, and incredible benefits for your kidneys. If you're looking for a morning fruit that can gently support kidney repair and help lower creatinine levels, kiwi is definitely one you'll want to consider. And the best part? It's not just nutritious. It's also refreshing and easy to include in your daily routine. First, let's talk about hydration. Kiwi is made up of about 83% water, which makes it a natural hydrator. Hydration is critical for kidney health because your kidneys rely on water to flush out toxins and excess creatinine. Starting your morning with kiwi gives your kidneys a gentle boost right away, helping them function more efficiently throughout the day. It's like giving your body a natural, delicious head start before you even eat breakfast. But kiwi is more than just water. It's packed with antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin E, and polyphenols. These antioxidants play a major role in protecting your kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation, two factors that can contribute to higher creatinine levels. Eating kiwi regularly helps calm inflammation and protects kidney cells, supporting better filtration and overall kidney function. Another reason kiwi is fantastic for mornings is its fiber content. Each kiwi is rich in soluble and insoluble fiber, which aids digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. When your digestion is smooth and balanced, your kidneys don't have to work overtime to manage waste. Over time, this can help reduce the stress on your kidneys, making kiwi a smart choice for anyone who wants to keep their kidneys healthy and creatinine in check. Kiwi is also low in potassium compared to some other fruits, which makes it kidney-friendly, especially for people who need to monitor potassium intake. You get all the hydration, antioxidants, and fiber benefits without worrying about overloading your kidneys with excess minerals. And here's the best part. Kiwi is incredibly versatile. You can slice it on top of oatmeal, blend it into a smoothie, or simply enjoy it on its own. It's convenient, quick, and requires almost no preparation, making it easy to incorporate into your morning routine consistently. So, if you want a fruit that's refreshing, nutrient-dense, and truly supportive of kidney repair, kiwi is an excellent choice. It's small but mighty. A simple, natural way to start your day with kidney health in mind and help your creatinine levels gradually improve over time. Number 5. Blackberries. Let's talk about blackberries. A small, dark fruit that packs a powerful punch when it comes to supporting kidney health and lowering creatinine. Many people underestimate blackberries because they're tiny, but don't be fooled. These little fruits are full of nutrients, antioxidants, and natural compounds that make them a perfect choice for your morning routine. One of the first things to love about blackberries is their antioxidant content. They are rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, and polyphenols, which help fight inflammation and oxidative stress in your kidneys. Over time, inflammation can contribute to kidney damage and elevated creatinine levels. So giving your kidneys a daily dose of antioxidants from blackberries can really make a difference. When you eat them in the morning, you're essentially giving your kidneys a gentle, protective shield to help them perform their vital functions more efficiently. Another major benefit of blackberries is their fiber content. These little fruits are packed with soluble and insoluble fiber, which supports healthy digestion and helps regulate blood sugar. When your digestion is balanced, your body produces less metabolic waste that your kidneys would otherwise have to filter. This means your kidneys get a little break while still performing optimally, which is especially important if you're focused on lowering creatinine. Hydration is also important for kidney health, and blackberries help with that too. While they're not as high in water as watermelon or kiwi, they still provide a hydrating effect. And when combined with other fruits or a glass of water, they help keep your kidneys flushing toxins efficiently. Starting your morning with a handful of blackberries or adding them to your breakfast routine gives your kidneys a boost that's both gentle and effective. One of the things I really love about blackberries is that they are low in potassium compared to other fruits. That makes them a smart choice for anyone who needs to manage their potassium levels due to kidney concerns. You get all the benefits, hydration, fiber, antioxidants, without putting extra strain on your kidneys. Blackberries are also versatile and easy to include in your mornings. You can eat them on their own, mix them into yogurt, sprinkle them over oatmeal, or blend them into a smoothie. They're quick, convenient, and taste amazing, making it easy to make them a consistent part of your routine. So, if you want a fruit that's natural, powerful, and kidney-friendly, blackberries are an excellent choice. They're more than just a tasty snack. They're a small but effective tool in your daily effort to support kidney repair and maintain healthy creatinine levels. Adding them to your morning routine is a simple step that can have a meaningful impact over time. Summary. So let's quickly recap. Today, we explored the top 5 morning fruits that can naturally support kidney repair and help lower creatinine. Papaya, watermelon, pears, kiwi, and blackberries. Each of these fruits works in its own unique way, from hydrating your kidneys, reducing inflammation, and providing antioxidants, to gently supporting digestion and protecting kidney cells. Incorporating these fruits into your morning routine is a simple, natural, and effective way to give your kidneys the care they deserve. Remember, it's not about a drastic diet change or complicated routines. It's about consistent, small habits that make a big difference over time. Starting your day with one of these fruits is an easy step toward better kidney health, more energy, and overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips backed by research. And I'd love to hear from you. Which of these fruits are you going to try first in your morning routine? Comment below and let us know. Also, stay tuned until the next video, where we'll dive into a surprising breakfast tip that can supercharge kidney function even faster. You won't want to miss it. Your kidneys will thank you.